If you have procrastination mentality, then Shani, God Shani is there. That person is always going to dance on your head. Remember carefully. Okay. So just one in some series, I had one example. A company owner got a wonderful opportunity. A wonderful opportunity. He got a mail. He got a mail. What happened is he has to reply to that mail. In that reply, they provided some proposal. Okay. So what he has to do is just okay. I'm interested. Yes, I'm interested. We will continue. I will confirm. I'm confirming this proposal. If he can give that just a reply mail, that thing is enough. How small this activity? That's all. Very small, right? Very small activity. How much time it's going to take? Just open the mail. Complete scenario. Just from his side, only approval is the pending. So if he is going to give the approval, then that thing is enough. How much time is going to take? Matter of 1 minute or 2 minutes. This company owner, okay, we will answer. Like he delayed. Later we will do that. Later we will do that. Like that. After 1 month, he came to know, array that mail that day I didn't reply, right? Like he's immediately trying to reply that mail. He replied that mail, but the response from other side, what they got is this opportunity. We did contract with some other vendor. We did contract with some other vendor. This is the response. Okay, he got how much? It's a huge loss to the company. A wonderful opportunity. The company got missed. Millions of project. The project worth, that deal, that contract worth is millions of dollars. Just a small delay. How much problem got created is like this.